Kim Paluta enya artist wo fan base woni fan base and go yo no ani show oni bi ye ne ya frefre ye no a ye ayetena ta ne ya frefre ye saa ene editietie no nwom enti no as a solid brand de onwo bi ana as a brander or ye niema ebro Ghana for adwen so no last year wa anya bi Kim Paluta is not winning. Who told you Kim Paluta is winning?
No, I'm asking a question.
Why winning that? Kim Paluta dear brand no or the be winning BB. However, dear Stone Boy any Kim promise ebiti Kim Paluta any branding. Only brand.
Okay, so the brand of resources.
Yeah, cause will be a brander. Chese o jina ho a who say this is an artist.
Ono so jina ho go bi hu so ya artist. Ono eden.
Oya rapper na ho kire no a Ghana for ama ne chance. Brajman na say.
Na me ho. Me na metete.
Ai. Me na metete no. Asa matete nsem bebre na efa artist of the year ho na and then no me be kan asem a madam fo and I say me girl a what na industry man face ono so very brainy. Tilly a whatna kwesi aboaji show so onim Tilly girl no onim Tilly very intelligent unim no VGM sia ho TGM meti ehun sensem enti nene me wo ha no mate sensem bebre koso ewo ho with Kim Paluta say you nominate no sia nominate no na ese category bi amfa na ambem na award scheme for no and aso mo award na ye omo dia no omo wo omo rules and regulations e governor de and omo decide say omo ntumi mfa nipa mienu ma what you say nipa ba ko ba two songs em ba the same category. Why are we bothered? Omo na do omo award until I was happy when you said that this year TGM Artist of the Year category no me yet all weeks here ko ya me yet 8 time am baby am fa one category na maka ho asem na be me nam na metete a me kan ade no me hu se Kim Paluta wo ho me hu se Stone Boy wo ho me hu se eye Black wo ho for the first time sa akode am Artist of the Year category no nti e kire say e say wo ya ko legend a level no what you say she say uko legend na oniama susa oniama enye he e underground na wo ye niama
your project
of course now your project ne ade na say ye de wo ko pension ho na no no say legend ne ba mu a nti say no Artist of the Year na sa akode amem no wo hu say like legendary no yes and was akoye new haircut they will come the legendary status because punk no wa bre enti ye yina free mu and ye di two artists baako eye me untouchable baako nya me untouchable Stone Boy enya me untouchable but I keep saying say ne brand no eye me fe whatever all ye no eye me fe Kim Promise last year so was in high contention with a friend say Stone Boy the visibility brand papa and nyama or planning ye and what the BT and ye can't technically Stone Boy has won it 3 times because ye information and say 2019 no opanana winning engine to twe be mu no tina sa komochi by imaginary no winning me ensa. Now a lot of people are ruling Stone Boy out of this year's Artist of the Year contention, and it's wrong.
And they are saying who will win?
They are saying say Omo de Bema Kim Promise that happens to be my untouchable.
No Kim Paluta.
Kim Paluta is not winning. Who told you Kim Paluta is winning?
No, I'm asking a question.
Why winning that? Kim Paluta dear brand no. What de winning BB. Over the years, it's a share Artist of the Year or my winning near me no. I was say a repetition of what happened in 2016 between EL and the Mansa boy. No, that is exactly what is happening right now.
Mansa boy no.
Hey, Bisake de Miami Nipa. You get what I'm saying? That is exactly what is happening.
Mansa boy.
Oh, there be say a dean was not coming off my head. Me fair no enkana ombra. No disrespect to him. Sure. I love him because I feel say he's a great artist. The same thing, and they see it was Abrimono. Me two contenders. I'm a face artist of the year category. They are winning it hands down. A Stonebwoy. Because Ushe criteria no ye demand audience appeal. And people are releasing a new album no okita. The same thing as Kim Promise. Onusu kita. The same thing as Kim Paluta. Onusu kita. However, the Stonebwoy any Kim Promise, EBT Kim Paluta, any branding. Only brand.
Okaso the brand of such.
Ah, yeah, kaso be a brander. Chese o jina hwa, who say this is an artist.
Ono so jina hwa go for be who's artist. Ono e den.
Or a rapper na ho kire no a Ghana for am a chance. A friend say, wo she papa, de bia wo she the brand na look. Wo she the hat kakra.
Kim Paluta so twisting it.
It doesn't matter. But the make catch on say Omuye in contention for that. He doesn't come in. Timo bia nya emfa nche memetina me asante ni. Sa ashanti agenda na emfa. Kim Paluta enya artist wo fan base. Woni fan base. Wo fan base and go yo no ani show. Oni bi ye ne ya frefre ye no a ye ayetena ta ne ya frefre ye sa ene editietie no nwom enti no as a solid brand de onwo bi ana as a brander or ye niema e bro Ghana for adwen so no last year wa anya bi enyum keke no release ye
sisifian
engrofo okoto
no sisifian nyom no
o release nyom dey chance say just an aspect okay no, if I can o release nyom
to create a song and
exactly me ni adwene cry di creative into wa ye ne de what you say ba adwene me won na me detena ha make say what you say obia wo ne de a wo ye it will release nyom that's just an aspect of it but say nkrofo to e twa wi ase afa na nya eba visibility wo mo ho
na outside shows
outside shows locally made outside shows you mean
na omokobo
who na say who black o say owo a friend say Brit Awards
na Stonebwoy
who so off your friend say wo ye to wo London in Canada
London anya Ghana for na
no anya London anya this year asem na make asa last year no
okay
last year no asem na make say nya this year na make say sa closing ceremony of the All African Games in nya last year enyemo ye wo last year no eno a ye hu se black or Asia meboa Kim Promise oko Asia ekobo ayi wo ho mama forget yes mama forget say last year asem na ye kan yo eti nya this year asem but what na mention na say eti obi obet ye na dwen say ye really Stonebwoy out of the friend say artist of the year contention no only pakwan is a big joke because so internet so now share what he did last year ne to ya wa ye no or ye the same thing last year but what am person mention as inti no mo bia nye say Stonebwoy so in contention and mo bia so me say sa brain no e se de make Kim Promise because say Stonebwoy enya bi da no me second choice Kim Promise. I've told you this already but any pa me feel say so winning artist of the year this year no as against last year near me see no Stonebwoy no other person okay. And on the note of Kim Paluta me have always advocated say papa tena ho maka so many times say Kamina award near me dia okay anybody onya 5 years and above in the industry come man artist of the year
nomination
me man nomination because you see you who instances and for winning artist of the year meant to me and fine
like who
EL didn't do anything with the artist of the year
apart from year who else
a friend say Blacko the artist of the year no wonya artist of the year ni wie no ono so no I say a call down kakra and share that pick a match biasa because they say Blacko e dia na wote no 2 years ago about Blacko no and now no na wote e wo ho ain't no say obi nye consistent
for 5 years
in my opinion no seminar award in the that's what I'm saying. Say it will be award and how they decide to run it is their own. But say can me because of consistency level and in here. And Shatta House so your entity it's a brand. They need somebody that can represent the brand. Brand now will represent it in a sense say, well, bet me do resources in Yama. Wo Ajungo. Etumi a pushy artist of the year category and in this dispensation I yet and your popular song in the air. Paluta any links not to be able to move that title around. It's Paluta no yes yeah the rapper our turning no yes it was an effort and Kofo Meki say they are all like they are bringing him up because while what behind the scenes for 15 years into yam and non say what in person or you brand enough for bet me holding the artist of the year category and this whatever responsibility that comes with it no see yeah share ni near the mark in Paluta or better to say the ya no yeah or move when you want to me and find your BB because onyan carve nature one as in a brand internationally people can friends resonate with me money challenge was sis or person challenge ya no any show near radio ni enhwe ne call fans ya senka Shatta ye ni show be frɛ SM foi na sack of the efre sack nation foi na stone boy frɛ bim foi na samini frɛ high grade foi wonye ni show no one friend go from ansano of course PSC ye ni show no friend say empress adoye ye ni show na nkofo aba wonye ni show ni bi ansano watimi aye no ho say obe win artist of the year. Wono, there's more chance for you to do. Allow these two great men. I'm talking about Stone Boy first and second person you bet me enya. I can promise. Yem fama no nya isa and I can promise so not now. Yes he worked more than any artist. Yes, selu huye.
Thank you.
Who and one selu huye.
Mo yeah that's it. I think so we taking the last Menanametiti, right? Okay. So last Menanametiti if yasi aba be kanyansa. The studios nimu na waba last na metete kadi match the late I introduced to you the late Councillor Lutrot is in the building the late Akwaba we are correct when are correct me oh no why do you say that to me
no but I get surprised you were on the show your wife texts you why you changing that
Ajima inye power nye
we super nga chesa minya correct
that be why give you
me be say ma be
what the show so our wife send no text
me na metete
and how kind
I can't talk no
but are you serious your wife will send you a text and you read it already no are you okay
you are the late
no what I mean is that your wife is listening and she's okay that she texts you and you are able to read on radio and you are telling your wife to hear that you are talking to a late Councillor Lutrot and your wife is still married to you. How do you waste your energy with a ghost? Are you aware ghosts talk to ghosts?
So who's the ghost here? Who's the ghost? Councillor Lutrot
are you a one of you have
a also
Abrabona air born. So young we are unim the obenya and I the opeso kun so to so we kun akuni bi Sally
okay because unya ngu ya nim ne obenya
obia opeso kun bia unya tia kunansa
asan wo be kun
because when kuna obekun
okay sunsu masam na woka
na obi ku ekun sunsu mare na nkuru sunsu wagun hune ma no eja le zago ba police abeti na gun
e sunsu masam na woka
hune mu o sunsu mu o se wo evidence obi be so kun a kuni bi so wo obi akun obi o se
aye na ko obi na kun obi
wo hande so obi obi na kun
obi na kun
be ma bi obi ana yiri na kun
oh no Councillor Lutrot hwe adibo ho no mo a o kan radio no TV so a o create impression ada emma ye akumfo asebo mukum nipa. So if you sit on radio,
now radio so now you send a message no an kan. You say to go away. Are you aware? No, are you aware that I sent you a message you didn't read? If it was Sally, wouldn't you read? Then what meaning are they reading to? Most men who die because of BP hypertension, and it's all caused by wife. Ajima, if you want to live long, don't marry. If you want to live long, don't marry. Because the thing that kills also on earth, what will cause you to die faster is marriage. It's in the scripture. Corinthians, 1 Corinthians 7. Yes. It kills faster. So may catch us say, "Be be obe will be an and iri nekunu."
No, boy, will be a.
Oba be the national death.
Okay, Kansalutro to we me na metete. Eti, o say, me ba cho body tell me yonko na me interview quick.
Say yes, artist of the year.
Yeah.
Black account.
Black account.
Then the money count.
You knew the year under review.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you knew the year under review. That's all you need.
I even said, I think said Blacko is the biggest artist in Ghana because of what I saw. I will show.
Okay. Consultant Pacho Menana Metiti. Let's go. Let's go.
Meti Sanyama Miri na meti say yes say this year Stoneboy Jidemu Biu. Micro nominations am o ntimi hu say Stoneboy san Jidemu Biu. And Sally so or cannot say any they say Sako de German Colano and I also them.
Me say
or say opposite say or your legend or call it.
Okay. But at least yeah can cry this year. Say be din komama they are so winning artist of the year. Say me amini Stoneboy mpo last year or G no kan ye no. Na kebe yanka. On fan making promise na
enya ono ntimi mfa bibi making promise. Award no she say. Nti ono ntimi mfa mo.
High contention as well.
No, nti.
Have a say or content.
Go worry over safa.
The benefits of a fast. Mo say you anya bi wo ha, win to so na.
As a chairman general, we say so ITP award. Ye catch and so nyan po so nyai. At the point we beg.
Enupe na award a onya. Ebi ani hu bi.
Na Shatta apart from Ghana Music Awards no. E dey bi mu na.
Send na make kase. Stoneboy we come awaji 2 times.
Oh, 3. Imagine.
Where is the third one?
Oh, the 2019 on the
It was for Shatta. Who pulled the gun?
Oh.
The loser pulled the gun. Anna. No, it was the loser that
Sally money.
No, it was the loser that pulled the gun.
Na metete no am listen.
The metete ni say Mumpo. What is a year under review, shadow under review, Nukrani Bakope. 2025 is a year for the guns in everything. So tribalistically, King Promise must win.
Okay.
He's my second option.
Well, he's not a second option. I mean, he's not part of your options actually.
No, he is.
He's not an option. I mean, tribalistically, King Promise.
He's my untouchable.
No, we don't care about he being your what, but tribalistically, he has to win because you see, I keep saying, we giving artist of the year to some people is because some people are not in the race. Some people are winning artist of the year because Shatta is not in the race. If Shatta is in the race, then we see this is a contention. But the year under review, didn't Shatta release a song? All the thing within the categories, Shatta Bibiana, so will be. But owners of the award no are disqualified. So what was it? It is a beauty contest. Unim Gabi and who were bro libiswa. One contest nibi. Opa, utmi fan we akase man beauty. Et ye de Jobe winning bia artist of the year. And at TGM this year, ye nim said the winner is Shatta.
And you no correct. Shatta they say the what friends were a legend. Why a legend? And you know yeah hiti. Me no Shatta Stoneboy cry. Na Shatta nyane level ni Stoneboy.
Me that say no was what I've been saying. Me say you see that you cannot live without Shatta. But they make sure say some papa say yeah contest ni yanka. No kan wanka na kebe hu. But be akodu die. Stoneboy any ni group no omumbu amukatem. Na
no Sally.
No. One Shatta emba adie no so. You know
why? So file here. definitely you go through you
of
go through
Alingoy.
no na say it's all fan nomination forms
There be Obia can straight say here na go fan nomination aye day. I mean,
we are not talking about content creation.
Yes, straightforward.
We are talking about
I know there, don't worry. So you don't see Shatta Wale as a musician, and you're saying Shatta Wale is not a musician, but he will be the artist of the year for the year under review because all the categories he has won, visibility to whatever. Shatta Wale is the best, but at the moment, you know, the owners of the award don't want to take him. But right now, they have accepted another Ghana boy, Kim Promise. So we want Santifor na year. I before na say see edun kra for so
na Shatta Wale what na ho no nya agbeni
what say Shatta Wale nya agbeni but never
ni ma me nya agbeni
o ma me agbeni yen kra for yen gimi sa o yen die na ade o ajima dia make straight forward me say dia make tete ne dia ko ni sa dia Kim Promise should be the artist of the year this year.
All right,
you vote o
okay.
Everybody should sit down and say, give it to Kim Promise. Stone boy, are you not tired?
Thank you. That's it.
On the other your brand no. Yenina ye weni ye ready beba after. But only portfolio entrance in kasa. Nebusa portfolio say oh yeah jumana mawana say still our person kodi stone boy echi. Paluta baby drew aggressiveness. So person brand no ejina pa na adoma chede na nya media man no Paluta o sustain who Ghana entertainment industry man Paluta just so strong o just so call extra nyese o mbeka wa hye me kan okra kire ye hu bi dawo o mbeka wa hye Paluta so u ja ho kakra bi o mbeka wa hye just so call all out Paluta me say ye hu Paluta so nsua what dia gonna chiache wonu muto so why you underground be 15 years plus enuti who experience ni nyina unim nyoma omo dia ye kumase artists over the years now drew so won do omo nyina de yew obi anu odo me kind of cratchel change your mood no to a lion mood go all out o pese o sustain your brand enya Ghana Music Awards we pay o Paluta said Drew awards. No, umetima babo and tembe kasa ukranti mo show. And I kwaje la sula la or London. And a dear and dear now on your shina. Paluta. Wait, ya can't do anymore. Now me share after a deal with you. Me say show attitude. Or high street in so. Me share kwanya be fasune some content creators a relate any kwanya be fasune a craft for presenters ni kuma me study bibia. Paluta, baby, a free the omutimo, the only mistake we pian was in Chenyo. Omudi di artists be pray. And Tokwana, Shatta Wale be kononya grown audio. Shatta come more than 20 years for Ghana industry mu because ye industry no jawan obi be come on watum. Because no ya money position bia wahu na nani na enunti o se oye dirty work ni nyina me agini tum. And for the team to accept say oye adwuma no once Ghana no answer na yenyi obi ntum say oye adwuma no just nipa kro na say obi de bibini bi asa na ejire tese be hu say bibini bi say obi nyoma no yenyi ntum say oye adwuma da yaw ma charge brutal medafo anhwe ya na wa hu sa channel we biem. And ultimately also subscribe to the Bonah Show. I had here, we spark the conversation and amplify the voiceless. Ghana entertainment industry no me for baby eke kakono. Yeah. Ghana Music Awards we on. Eni edi echire doso. Eni edi Ghana Music Awards we echi no. E doso. Empire na ye nyina ebo se omo be ye fair. Because and your man you're fair. Yeah. Medafo any just sama me de nam ene sese wo America man now person de on your free America eko Ghana onyankopon adom or the door to door shipping service for bia ba ye from Box Oak Logistics. Medafo omo beba ofie abe box on your money nyina na omo de akọ Ghana omo de drew Ghana kra fie person omo de kom no omo di ni nyina abekọ ama asomdwem omo bo ne so eda fom dia ebesa mo ani agye kese kra ne say ofre Box Oak Logistics a ka kire mu say enam the BonahShow so na oti o monka medofo emprempre na ombeche 10% discount umpe we na opede bie mu nso se wo ye burger ufri akwantuo mu ekọ Ghana na odru Ghana obekọ Kumasi na odru Kumasi obepe ba bia dako na anu nansa bosome na otwe mienu ene akira ma menkamfo Pikash Properties. Upefie papa them with 100% security, 100% CCTV cameras. Medofo edino eye bakope e Kumasi. Eye Pikash Properties. Ufre Pikasha kachiro mu se enam the BonahShow so na ati omonka. Omonso no ebuo bia omoji ubia omobecha 10% discount. Call www.pikashproperties.com.